championship titles last year, who won the U.S. Open Grand McDowell. Not here on this final day of practice. So Mickelson, he's going to visit to the White House to visit President Obama, so a big day for him. But Johnny, the sentimental favorite here, Phil, having finished second a record 5 times.
Absolutely. He wants his championship more than any other. His game looks really good. He's hitting a well-seated green. He's got the short game, we all know, but the one thing that's hurting Phil a little bit is he's not making many putts outside of 5 feet. When you get those, you got a great chance.
Now the U.S. Open for the first time since '94, Tiger Woods still out with an injury. Phil Mickelson at par. First time credit come out of the game. That's the Eastern Time. Great prices every day. By the Miller Lite card. Save your summer with Miller Lite. And by Pacific Life. Choose Pacific Life, the power to help you succeed.
By 2020, 60 billion network devices will roam the earth. That's 7 devices per person. This will change how we work in ways we never before imagined. What do you need to hear your people? Hear devices. And your business? A network that can evolve and grow to protect your human network. Never fear, new frontiers. See why at Cisco.com. Cisco.